Hello Raider Nation, this is Duntov. Today I am at the Raiders' new headquarters. So I am behind the building, so this would be the west side. I did get the new camera, it came in last night, so we're trying it out for the first time. So far it seems pretty good. This one has a 65 optical zoom and I think 250 digital. So it has more zoom than the last camera. Alright, we can see it looks like they're starting to put some of these ETFE windows on the side here. Then you can see they're coming along pretty good with the side panels there. Looks like they're about 2/3 done now. They're actually picking one up right now, it looks like. Yes. So by the way, it is Saturday, April 4th, 2020. Alright, so I don't know if they start putting any of the grass in yet on the fields. When we get up there, we'll find out. I haven't heard anything. I know they got the signs in over here. So at least this says the Las Vegas Raiders, where so far the stadium I haven't seen any Raider stuff. It all says Legion Stadium only, so I'm assuming we'll get some Raiders stuff on the outside of the building somewhere. Alright, so this is just the back side I wanted to show. So we're gonna go to our usual areas now. Okay, now we came around. This is the north side of the building. So we can see we're getting a lot of, well, there's the porte-cochere, front entrance drive up, and the main building. We got most of the orange gone now, still a little bit. Guys working down on the side there. I don't know if it's then we go on the main field house. So they haven't put the logo up yet on the front here. You can see the mounts. They got the mounts for it. And then if we come to this side here, they have, you can see in the gray they got mounts for something else. So we'll wait and see what that's going to be, because it's not really the shape of the shield, where the one on the front, you know, skin that has less mounts on the bottom. So I don't know if the Intermountain Healthcare, if they have some kind of logo maybe that they're gonna put there. Wait and see what that is. Alright, so they put the regular windows here. So we'll have some regular light going in. They got some kind of banner you can see hanging up on the inside of that window. Don't know what that says. Alright, we're gonna go towards the back of the building. So I'm gonna try zooming in to see if we can see what this is, but from here, just without any zoom, it looks like it's a bunch of pipes going in there. You can see all this in the back here. Oh yeah, some kind of piping. Got all these in here. I don't know if they're some kind of generators or what these are. Alright, we're gonna go walk around to the front area and see what's over there. Okay, we're now on the northeast corner. So we're going to show the front. We actually have a street number on here. Okay, so this is on Executive Airport Drive, 1475. So headquarter address 1475 Executive Airport Drive. Alright, so you can see this whole front area. Pretty much the white's all done except for the top where they're going to put the, at least in the renderings it says Las Vegas Raiders. It would go right in there. If we look underneath, so this whole thing looks like they got all the finish on that. Just the very tips. Looks like the finish is there, it just has the protective coating. Okay, we're not getting any focus. There we go. Then it looks like they still got to put whatever finish they're going to have on them columns there. So it doesn't look like they have any of the landscape area, because pretty much where this man lift is in the renderings, that's about where they're going to have the torch. So don't see anything there yet. Some of these crates out of here. I'm assuming the crates have, the ones that are still on the ground, those are probably some of the panels and stuff in there still for all this front area. And then on the side here you can see they're starting to put up some of those block walls. So they even look like they got them in silver and black, which are cool. You can see down the side. Alright, now we're in front a little more. You can see they took all the fences down here so we could get a better view. I don't know if we could see anything through the opening or not. There we go. Water truck. I'm sure a lot of you have seen Mick Akers from the Review Journal. He was here a few days ago and he put some photos in the evening, so this whole front area was like lit up where you could see into the headquarters here, and then also even the field house. So look for his pictures. You can see how it looked at night with the lights on inside. Alright, so you can see this whole front end area. We got security watching me. Making sure I don't go any closer. Alright, we're gonna go around to that would be the south side. That's the side they're still working on panels on the field house and where the outdoor fields are. So I'm gonna go to that side and see what's going on over there. Alright, I'm now on the south end here. So this is the side that we gotta get. They're still working on these panels. Bringing another one up right now. You can see it. It's like right there, you go. See it there. We got a little breeze right now. Supposed to get a lot of wind later today and all day tomorrow. So right now I don't think this breeze here is going to affect anything. We get another good look. That looks good. The sign there looks good against the silver. Alright, so we got some people in this field area. You can see there's no sod yet, but I'll pan over here to the left, and they got equipment out there that they're just driving around doing something. I think these are all sprinkler heads in these areas. Like those are just markers for the sprinkler heads. They're just leveling it out better, or what they're doing with that machine. Anyone knows, leave some comments. And then there's a guy walking around pushing something. He'll be coming in the frame right there. This might be the same one we saw earlier over here, driving around. It kind of looks like these things are just like leveling everything out better. Alright, then if we look up over here, if I can find it. There we go. We got a scoreboard out here already. So that's right on the very end. So you would have the 3 fields lined up, one next to each other this way. And then we got the one scoreboard over here. Looking good. Alright, so these guys, they're going up right now to get that panel. You can see them lifting up their lift. So they must secure the bottom and then they go up and secure the top part. Probably gotta just take the mount off. Yep, so it looks like they're doing. There it is. Alright, I'm going to move down a little bit because I'm actually standing on this is the Toronto bread place. So I'm on their land, that way I was able to get a better view of the scoreboard. So I just got to move down a little bit to do my stadium shot from here. Okay, I just moved down a little bit. I actually get on top of these. They got mounds of dirt here, so I'm up a little higher. I'm going to show also that it's like they put a pathway all the way around. You can see they paved that area. If I'm not mistaken, I think it does go all the way around on this south edge also. Try to zoom. I don't know if it'll focus in, but we got the garage doors that are on like the training facility part, right by where that loader is. You can see inside a little bit. Can't really tell what it is from the viewfinder. Okay, then the swimming pool. There will be a outdoor pool. It's going to be in this area where all these man lifts are parked right now. So obviously they're parked there. They didn't start building anything. So that's where the outdoor pool will be. And then if we go towards the back, you can see some kind of steel structure over here that looks like it's going up. That's away from the building pretty good, so I don't know what that's going to be. Alright, since we're facing this way, we got the casinos in the background. So that's the Drew. That used to be the Fountain Blue, and now they're supposed to be calling it the Drew. They haven't started redoing it yet, or finishing it yet. That's Resort World. Stadium. Oh, tripod's moving on the rocks. Okay, so this is it's about 12 or 13 miles away. But again, you can see the sign really good from here. You can see the heat rising up off the desert. Okay, so I'm going to zoom out. This is what it looks like from where I'm at right now. This is 12 or 13 miles away. There you go. Alright, I'm going to go get a little bit more of the front area. They're putting up block walls and stuff along the road, so we'll go over there to end it. Okay, now I am on this will be the southeast corner. It's on the front corner. They were just lifting up another one of these panels and it was really spinning around in the wind right before I got here, but now it looks like they got it under control. Alright, and you can see the sign again. So if we look over here in the front, you can see the wall going up. So it's looking good. It's not going to be too high, at least it doesn't appear to be. So that should be going around along the whole front of the road. Now we got some guys actually working up here on the front thing. Not sure what they're working on. Alright, so that's the sign, future home of Raiders. So that's the corner that's right next to the bread company. You could actually see we got yeast. Must be soy oil, and then the flour. And then along the side, if we go down, they actually got their mailbox in here. I never noticed it before. $14.75. Then if we look down along where the field's gonna go, so you can see down there they do have a blacktop all the way around it. I have a feeling they're gonna bring that sod pretty soon, because this is supposed to open pretty much like June 1st. So we're down to 2 months. Gotta let it grow, you know, get established also, so. Guess we'll see. Alright, I guess that's all I got for today. One of these days I'll try to get out here in the evening to see what the light's on. Don't know when I'll get out here then, and if it's too dark, video doesn't come out good anyway, so we'll give it a shot. So if you're not subscribed and you would like to get updates on this and the Raiders Stadium, please subscribe to my channel, Raiders1967. I'd also like to thank people that are buying some of my merchandise and made donations to this new camera. It's greatly appreciated. So far the camera is working how I want it to work, and I guess that's all I got. So everybody stay safe, and I'll talk to you next time.